Надеюсь, вам понравилось. Это было реально круто. Будущее сегодня, ребята. Уважаемые полицейские.
This is the Vision AVTR by Mercedes. Take a look at this. What? This car would become your avatar. It's like a creature in itself. When you brake, it actually goes red. Look at this. So it's an air brake, and it also indicates that you're braking with the red light here. It's actually got indicators on the tire itself. Never seen that before. Okay. This car can actually drive sideways and crawl along like a crab.
Очень необычно выглядит. Это просто сумасшествие. Господи, а заднее колесо, смотрите, как повернулось. Это нереально вообще, это просто нереально. Оно движется прямо по улицам Лас-Вегаса. Это же просто охренеть.
Okay, take a look at this. You put your hand on this center console here, and it reacts to your touch. So it pops out, and then now you can actually control the car with this. You see that? This is quite a cool design feature. I've never seen this before either. You see how the back seat here kind of arches all the way over the top of the passenger's head, and then it becomes your headrest in the front.
This is not a car, it's a creature.